Okay, now we're going to compare two different symbols. One is a graphic symbol, another one is a movie clip symbol. So let's take a look at the difference between those two symbols. So we're going to create new animate CC ActionScript 3.0 file, just the default setting. Okay. Um, on Google search, I just downloaded one gear image as a transparent ping file, so we can have a background images. I'm going to change my stage color from white to black, so I can see the transparent background. And let me import. Okay, before we do that, first open the library panel. We're going to import that downloaded image into the library, not into the stage. So that was on my desktop gear.png file. So that is this. So based on this, we're going to create two different symbols. One graphic symbol and another one is the movie clip symbol. So let's create um, graphic symbol first. There are two different ways of creating the new symbol. Uh, First, you can go to the insert menu and new symbol, or in the library panel on the bottom left corner, there is a button for the new symbol. So let me click on it. Movie clip. So let me change the type from movie clip symbol to the graphic first, and I'm going to name it as a gear underscore still. Okay. So now here's the important part. Um, you were supposed to see the kind of two kind of things on the top left corner of your document window. It shows us where we are working on. So um, once we click on scene number one, I'm on scene number one. But since I'm going to create a new graphic symbol, just double click graphic symbol from the library, and now I'm in the graphic symbols editing window, and place at this center point somewhere on the top left corner. This center point is very important when we apply any type of motion tween. Um, so when you import any image or any graphics into the symbols editing window, make sure you set the position onto a 0 point, x and y coordination 0 by 0. Okay, so now let me drag and drop this gear.png file into here. This is a pretty big file. I'm going to reduce the size first, maybe 50%, half size. And then in the properties panel, let me set the x and y to 0 by 0. And then this animate CC is a kind of a little sensitive. So once you change the value in any field, please hit the return key or enter key. Um, so we can set the apply the value on it. Okay, so this is a graphic symbols. This is done. Easy. And then now, second, we're gonna create new movie clip symbol this time. So I'm gonna name it as gear underscore movie. Okay. And let me drag and drop my gear.png file again. I'm gonna set the scale, prescale it down to 50%, half size. And in the properties panel, let me set the x and y to 0. Okay. So I have the transparent pink file, the gear image on my frame number one in gear movie clip symbols editing window, not on main scene. On main scene we have nothing so far. So library gear underscore movie file, movie clip symbol. I'm going to just rotate it. So for the rotation, moving, rescaling, changing the alpha value, everything is about the motion twin. So highlight the first keyframe, insert motion twin first, and then since we have a departure, we need a destination by inserting another keyframe, F6 key. So we have a little dot. Okay. So departure and destination. Nothing's happening now because we didn't change anything. So either on first keyframe or last keyframe, doesn't matter. Select your gear image and open the transform panel and rotate it 360. And this is supposed to happen like this. If you want to rotate the counterclockwise, enter the negative 360. So it's opposite. Go back to 360. So this is a one movie clip symbol. Now let's go back to scene number one. Let me apply on the first layer gear steel somewhere here. It's pretty big. Let me reduce the size down to maybe 50%. Yeah. Okay. Let me rename this layer as steel. And let me add another new layer for my movie clip symbol. This will be named as a movie. And then let me drag this gear underscore movie clip symbol, drag and drop up in the that new layer. And let me change the size 50% up. And let me line up. Okay. The center somewhere. Okay. So it looks the same. And we are only using the frame number one, frame. This first one, this is a graphic symbol. Let me check the properties panel as a still shot. Second one is a movie clip symbol, and this movie clip symbol has its own timeline containing all the motion to we applied, rotating, if I rescaled, everything. Now let's test the movie so we can see the result. Command return. So graphic symbol is just a graphic, doesn't move, but a movie clip symbol, it keeps rotating because it has the embedded timeline, and we apply the motion twin. Okay. So a motion, no, I mean the movie clip symbol has a benefit. It has its own timeline. Any effect we create, motion twin, even shape twinning, rescaling, um, animating the gradient field like we did last time. So any actions, any movement can be stored as a part of your movie clip symbol. So that's the difference between these two different symbols.